What if I told you that you can run Python code with a free GPU? That's Google Colab. Welcome to SGIT Mister. In this video, you'll master Google Colab from beginner to advanced. Learn Python coding, free G setup.
Looking at this video title, what if I told you that you could write and execute Python code and run high-end GPUs entirely in your web browser? In the next 6 minutes, we are going to take you from a complete beginner to an advanced user in Google Colab. By the end of this guide, you will know how to train machine learning models, integrate Google Drive for persistent storage, and manage your API secrets safely. The best part is that there is absolutely zero setup required. You do not need to install any software locally, and it does not matter what operating system your computer uses. By removing the barrier of expensive local hardware, these tools allow anyone with a browser to access the same development environment used for professional AI projects. Let's start by navigating to colab.research.google.com and clicking New Notebook. This opens a live, cloud-hosted Python environment. As you work, your progress automatically saves directly to your Google Drive. The entire Colab workspace is constructed using individual blocks called cells. These cells allow you to isolate different parts of your code. To test this out, click into the first cell and type a simple print statement, like print hello from Colab. To execute the code, press Shift plus Enter. As you start building larger projects, you can quickly manage your workspace by pressing Ctrl-M, then B to insert a new cell below, or Ctrl-M, then D to delete a cell. Because variables stay in memory after a cell runs, you can tweak a specific calculation and rerun just that block without restarting your entire script. This modularity is what enables the rapid, iterative testing required in modern data science. Colab code isn't limited to pure Python. You can also add text cells, which use Markdown to format headings, bulleted lists, and images. By blending text cells right alongside your Python output, you create a readable, professional report that is easy to share. You apply this structure by using standard Markdown syntax in the text block, and the preview pane shows your formatted documentation in real time. Your Colab environment already comes with popular libraries like Pandas and TensorFlow pre-installed. Eventually, though, you will need a specialized package. When that happens, pull in new libraries using the standard Python package installer, pip. Notice the exclamation mark before pip install package name. In Colab, typing an exclamation mark lets you run shell commands directly inside a notebook cell. This access gives your web-based notebook the exact same control as a full local workstation terminal. Training complex modern machine learning models often requires significantly more processing power than a standard laptop can ever provide. This is why Colab's ability to provision remote hardware acceleration is so important. To activate it, navigate to the top menu and click Runtime. Then change runtime type and select GPU or TPU from the dropdown. You can verify it's running by importing PyTorch and running torch.cuda.is available. The free tier uses a shared pool of GPUs and will disconnect if left idle. For guaranteed priority access and longer continuous runtimes for heavy workloads, Google offers paid Pro tiers. Accessing a GPU instantly means you can train robust machine learning models right away, bypassing high costs and setup time required for specialized hardware. You now have a fully functional, professional-grade development environment configured and ready to go. Before you start building, be aware that your runtime environment is volatile. If you leave the session idle for too long, Colab will disconnect and reassign your GPU to someone else. When looking at these common pitfalls, notice that when a disconnect happens, any files uploaded directly to the temporary local storage are erased. To keep your datasets safe, you must map your persistent Google Drive to the notebook instead. In the next video of this series, we cover exactly how to mount your Google Drive and train your first machine learning model using this setup. Mastering these core environment workflows is your essential first step toward writing effective code for cloud automation and artificial intelligence.